The Easter holiday is a special time of year for many people around the world. It is a time when people celebrate the resurrection of Jesus Christ, which is an important event in the Christian religion. The Easter holiday is usually celebrated in the spring, often March and April. One of the most well-known symbols of Easter is the Easter egg. Eggs have long been associated with springtime and new life, which is why they are often used as a symbol of Easter. In many cultures, people decorate eggs and give them as gifts during the Easter holiday. Another popular tradition associated with Easter is the Easter Bunny. The Easter Bunny is said to bring baskets filled with candy and treats to children on Easter Sunday. This tradition is believed to have originated in Germany and was brought to the United States by German immigrants in the 1700s. The origins of the Easter holiday can be traced back to ancient times. The name Easter is believed to have come from Istra, the Anglo-Saxon goddess of spring and fertility. In pagan times, people celebrated the arrival of spring with festivals in honor of Istra. The Christian celebration of Easter is based on the story of Jesus Christ's crucifixion and resurrection. According to the Bible, Jesus was crucified and died on Good Friday, and his body was placed in a tomb. 3 days later, on Easter Sunday, Jesus rose from the dead, proving that he was the Son of God. The Easter holiday is celebrated in many different ways around the world. In addition to attending church services, people often participate in Easter egg hunts, where children search for hidden eggs in parks or gardens. Many families also enjoy special meals together on Easter Sunday, which often include dishes such as ham, lamb, and hot cross buns. Overall, the Easter holiday is a time of joy and celebration for people of all ages. It is a time to gather with loved ones, reflect on the religious significance of the holiday, and enjoy the arrival of spring.
Let's learn some Easter vocabulary. Easter. Easter. Easter is a Christian holiday celebrating the resurrection of Jesus Christ. Example sentence. Easter is a special time for Christians to gather with family and friends to celebrate Jesus' resurrection. Egg. Egg. An egg is an oval-shaped object produced by birds, reptiles, or fish, often used as food. Example sentence. We colored eggs for Easter and hid them in the garden for the children to find. Bunny. Bunny. A bunny is a rabbit, a small furry mammal with long ears, often associated with Easter traditions. Example sentence. The children were excited to see the Easter bunny hop into the garden with a basket of eggs. Resurrection. Resurrection. Resurrection is the act of coming back to life after death, often used in reference to Jesus Christ in Christian belief. Example sentence. Christians believe in the resurrection of Jesus, which is celebrated on Easter Sunday. Spring. Spring. Spring is the season between winter and summer, characterized by blooming flowers and warmer weather. Example sentence. Easter falls in the springtime when flowers start to bloom and trees turn green again. Basket. Basket. A basket is a container made of woven material used for carrying or storing items. Example sentence. We filled the Easter basket with colored eggs, chocolate bunnies, and other treats. Church. Church. A church is a building used for Christian religious services and worship. Example sentence. We attended Easter service at the church and sang hymns celebrating Jesus' resurrection. Cross. Cross. A cross is a symbol of Christianity representing the crucifixion of Jesus Christ. Example sentence. The cross is an important symbol for Christians, reminding them of Jesus' sacrifice and resurrection. Celebration. Celebration. A celebration is the act of observing a special event or occasion with joy and festivities. Example sentence. Easter is a time of celebration for Christians, marked by church services, family gatherings, and feasting. Joy. Joy. Joy is a feeling of happiness or delight. Example sentence. The children's faces lit up with joy when they found Easter eggs hidden in the garden. Now, let's listen to a conversation about Easter.
Hi, Mary. Are you excited for Easter?
Hi, Tony. Yes, I am. I love Easter egg hunts.
Me too. Do you know why we celebrate Easter?
Yes, it's about Jesus, right? He came back to life.
That's right. Christians believe that Jesus rose from the dead on Easter Sunday.
Wow, that's amazing. What else do people do on Easter?
Well, we also decorate eggs and have big meals with our families.
Sounds like fun. I can't wait to eat chocolate bunnies.
Yeah, me too. My mom always makes a delicious Easter cake.
Yum. Do you have any special Easter traditions?
We usually go to church in the morning and then have a big Easter brunch with our relatives.
That sounds nice. My family usually has an Easter egg hunt in the backyard.
That sounds like a lot of fun. I wish I could join in.
You should come over next Easter. The more, the merrier.
Thanks, Mary. I'll try to come next year.
Great. I'm already looking forward to it.
Me too. Happy Easter, Mary.
Happy Easter, Tony.
Do you celebrate Easter or any holidays similar to Easter? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and for those who celebrate it, Happy Easter!